Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Echelon Stride Autofold Treadmill. We found the Echelon Stride Autofold connected treadmill the best overall for its ease of setup, user-friendliness, and smart design. The integration with the Echelon app and compatibility with Apple Health and Apple Watch enhanced our fitness tracking experience. The treadmill's modern console design was clear and easy to navigate, displaying essential metrics like speed, distance, and burned calories. Adjusting incline and speed was straightforward, thanks to the intuitive touchscreen and conveniently placed buttons. The automatic folding feature of the treadmill was a standout, although its significant weight made mobility and storage a point to consider. The thoughtful additions like deep cup holders, a versatile phone holder, and a safety key added to the overall experience. In terms of value, it offered a luxurious feel and high-quality performance at a reasonable cost. The only minor issue was the loud noise from the console during adjustments. Its compact size, quiet operation, and thoughtful features make it an excellent choice for apartment dwellers and fitness enthusiasts. At number 2. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. The enormous 22-inch display looks comical at first glance. But with all your speed, incline, and various setting buttons alongside the screen rather than on it, we found it easy to zone out while watching ourselves walking or running along a digitized track or a pretty scenic route. We loved the built-in Bluetooth speakers for our workout soundtracks. With a kickstand supporting the back end of the treadmill, folding out or away is simple. Though it's worth mentioning, especially for people with limited space, it doesn't fold up completely, which adds a few inches to its footprint. Using an iFit membership to join workout classes is a great way to mix up our regular routines. And tiny details like the cooling fan add to the premium feel of this model, which makes stepping back on again day after day just a little bit easier. At number 3. Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill. The overall usability of the 7.0 at Studio Treadmill truly sets it apart. Getting started is as simple as scrolling to select your user number or workout choice. Once you're in, incline and speed adjustments happen instantly, and the console tracks all the mph, calories, heart rate and distance traveled markers you'd expect on a state-of-the-art machine. Folding away is simple, you just lift the belt piece, and unfolding is a breeze with an easy-to-use pedal. We loved that the Bluetooth connectivity allowed us to connect with familiar training apps like Zwift, Daily Burn, or Peloton. So we could easily transition to this new treadmill without necessarily uploading, or learning to navigate, a pile of new tech. At number 4. XTERRA Fitness TRX Performance Series Folding Treadmill. Though you may want to consider more advanced models if you have hardcore endurance goals, we found the XTERRA Fitness Sports Series Folding Treadmill perfect for supplementing our existing routines with extra walking during the week. Don't let the complicated setup and substandard assembly tools get you off on the wrong foot. Once we got through the physical assembly and connected in-app, establishing profiles and getting started on this treadmill was intuitive and trouble-free. Navigating from feature to feature, streaming via services like Netflix or Hulu, flicking between display modes, and even mirroring whatever you're looking at on your phone happens on the 10.1-inch touchscreen. We found it useful to adjust incline and speed settings on-screen pre-workout and via the handlebar buttons while we were mid-stride. At number 5. NordicTrack 1250 Treadmill. The NordicTrack 1250 Treadmill impressed us with its ease of use and hassle-free delivery and assembly. Its Bluetooth connectivity adds convenience, though occasionally it was tricky to establish a connection. The user-friendly console caters to various fitness levels with an extensive range of workouts available via the iFit membership. The treadmill's straightforward incline, speed adjustments, comfortable cushioning, and long belt enhance the workout experience. Despite its large size, the treadmill's foldability aids in space management. We noted its responsive speed and incline adjustments based on past workouts and appreciated the tilting touchscreen for off-treadmill exercises. This treadmill offers a comprehensive range of features, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a versatile and engaging fitness experience suitable for all fitness levels and spaces. At number 6. Egofit Walker Pro M1 Treadmill. We found the Egofit Walker Pro a solid option if you're looking to up your steps while working, watching TV, or even folding laundry. With a setup as simple as plugging it in and inserting batteries in the remote controller, we were pacing it out in our guest rooms, balconies, and bedrooms, even while on work calls, in minutes. Its small size makes this model easily storable in a closet or under the bed. And we loved some of the smaller details like a wrist strap for the remote, keeping our hands free for other things. We loved how smooth the action and comfortable surface were, which were fantastic for relieving aching shins and joints after more high-impact exercise. And though we didn't break any speed records, we'd recommend this model for light activity on rest days or for people looking to up their steps, albeit gently. At number 7. WalkingPad P1 Foldable Walking Treadmill. The first thing we notice straight out of the box is this model's understated, elegant design. While it lacks some of the bells, whistles, and features of its more expensive, and much bigger, counterparts, its clean lines and storability make it a great option for a small space. In essence, this treadmill is a very basic walking pad, and not much else, but there are some things that this treadmill does very well. The folding design and wheels make it super easy to stash. The limited functionality and simple setup make it super easy to use. And while it won't meet the requirements of a serious gym session, keep this treadmill lying around, and you can easily fit in some extra steps as you go about your day. At number 8. WalkingPad A1 Pro Foldable Under Desk Treadmill. The WalkingPad A1 Pro Foldable Under Desk Treadmill is ideal for small spaces thanks to its compact, foldable design, which allows easy storage under furniture. We quickly set up the accompanying app in less than 5 minutes, seamlessly syncing with health tracking systems and enhancing our fitness monitoring. The treadmill's 1.75 maximum speed suits low impact, comfortable walking, aligning with gentle exercise routines, particularly for injury recovery. Assembly was minimal and straightforward, with the treadmill ready to use in about 15 minutes. Its remote control simplifies speed adjustments and mode changes, and the walking pad's cushioning offers a more comfortable experience than hard surfaces, being gentle on the joints. While its $700 price might seem high for its basic functionality, the walking pad's quality, durability, and suitability for those seeking to integrate walking into daily indoor activities make it a valuable investment for small living spaces. At number 9. LifePro PacerMini Pro Treadmill. The LifePro Fitness PacerMini Pro Portable Treadmill is the best portable treadmill for its compactness and user-friendly features. Its maximum speed of 3 miles per hour is perfect for comfortable walking, and its ease of use and convenience make it ideal for anyone. The setup was remarkably easy, requiring just a simple plug-in. The instruction manual was clear, facilitating a quick start. The treadmill is controlled via a remote and a switch on the machine, operating quietly enough not to disturb work or other activities. Its compact design, with wheels, allows for easy storage under furniture, making it perfect for limited spaces. The treadmill's pad provided comfort without sacrificing firmness for running, and we experienced no discomfort or joint impact. A notable benefit is its portability, allowing easy movement between rooms, which is advantageous for parents needing to stay close to their children. For those with space constraints or needing a regularly used, portable treadmill, we think the LifePro Fitness PacerMini Pro Portable Treadmill is an excellent choice.